doing today? Happy Monday. So, for today's video, I will be going over my curly hair routine. Now, at the moment, my hair isn't as voluminous as it can be, but I will show you. I'll insert a picture somewhere on the screen of how it looks like after it dries up, because my hair is very flat and it's very thin, so it just takes time for all my products to actually work and do that. So I hope you all stay a while, watch this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Bye guys! Hi guys! So my hair is freshly washed. I just washed it. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, so I just washed it. It's in this, it's supposed to be a like anti-frizz towel. I don't even know. I got it with a set from DevaCurl. This one, DevaCurl. So it's really helpful. So this is what my hair looks like without brushing it, with nothing. It maybe it's been about 5 to 7 minutes since I got out the shower, so yeah, this is what it looks like. So first things first is I go in with this cream. It's the Crème Brule with Curl Cream by Curls. It smells amazing. So what I do is I've been doing a middle part lately, so that's what it just fell into, I guess. I did use the DevaCurl shampoo. It's an okay shampoo. It gets all the oils out of my hair. I do wash my hair only like twice, maybe 3 times a week, so it gets all the oils out. It doesn't foam up, and I was surprised. I guess I just didn't read or anything like that on the bottle. I didn't know it didn't foam up, but it doesn't foam. But I do double cleanse. I focus on my roots first, and then I focus on my ends. So then I got this brush. I think it's from Sally's. It's one of those like plasticky like curl brushes, I think. I'm not really sure what they're called, but I'll have a image on the screen for you guys. It feels so good. I love brushing my hair. So just want to brush. It just feels so good. So then just shake it all out. Shake it all out. So then this is what it looks like. And then I go in with my DevaCurl styling cream, touchable curl definer. Go in with this. And I just scrunch. Let me show you guys. Just scrunch it in. Just scrunch it in. Then I do this side. And I don't really like my hair. First day hair. I feel like it's not as voluminous. It's very down. So out of frame. Sorry guys. So, I just want to get it all in there. And I don't have that much hair, so I don't do tons of sectioning. Just flip it. So then I go in with our Leave-In Miracle Curl Plumper. So it's a gel. I mean, this is an okay gel. It has like a gooey, it's kind of gooey, but not really. And so I've been just trying to use the different products that don't have certain ingredients. I know that I was trying to veer away from alcohol, but I don't just to make sure. And I hate when I have like one side where I just put so much and it's just weighing down. And guys, I have very thin hair. So now I'm going to go in with my towel and I'm just going to scrunch it up and try to dry it up a little bit. Alright, so there we have it. And I guess it's just falling to the middle. And guys, I cut my own bangs. So, I wanted to have curly bangs. I think it's kind of cute. I don't know. But I did it. So, anyways, we're going to go in with this bed head thing. And I'll have it linked down below. And I'll have a little picture of it right here. All you do is grab your hair. You're going to grab the little thing. And this is just like a normal diffuser. And you just, you know, move it to your head as so. Yeah, this one has medium low, cool, and then hot and low. So guys, now this dryer doesn't completely, you know, dry your hair. It's not what it's supposed to do. But I like that it kind of locks in all the products. So when I feel like my hair is too scrunchy and like crunchy, guys, I go in with this Aloe Blueberry Juice Curl Moisturizer. And it says it's hardworking, texture softening, moisturize, reparative, and detangling leave-in conditioner. And I just love to just spritz it in my hand. It just comes like that. And then I just like it, you know, just to scrunch it in there because I don't like scrunchy curls. And yeah. Alrighty guys, so this is my curly hair, wavy hair routine. I do wash my hair 2 to 3 times a week, just depending on what I'm doing. I might put a little bit of this heat to my hair, maybe once every 2 weeks, just depending on like what I really want or what I'm like how. If my hair has time to dry on its own, of course I'm not really gonna use it, but just depends on like my mood. I really don't flat iron my hair at all. I don't straighten it. I might do it maybe once a year, twice a year, depending on like if we have a special occasion or something. And it's taken me a while to actually like my hair because I remember when I was in middle school and high school, I would straighten it as much as I could, And my parents took my straightener. Guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy Monday. And I'll see you all on Friday. And guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Bye guys.